So it's official. We have a blizzard. As you can see, it's still snowing. The wind is blowing pretty hard right now. It's really, really cold outside. And if you look out, you can't see anything out there. So beyond, across the street, there's the ocean is out there. There's a lighthouse. Can't see anything right now. It's pretty cold. So we're expected to get 12 to 18 inches this time. But like I said, Boston has officially declared a blizzard. So stay inside, stay warm, and wait until this thing is over.